Hello children, today we are going to start with the second chapter from NCERT class 3, The Plant Fairy. So first start with the chapter. Last Sunday we went to a garden in the neighborhood. We played hide and seek, chupam chupai and antakshri. And we had a lot of fun. After some time, Didi said, "Let us play a new game today." We had played this game in the camp last year. I will become a plant fairy and plant fairy will call out a name of something and you all will have to touch it. After some time, game began. Didi said, "The plant fairy asks you to touch a plant." At once, all the children ran towards the plants. Didi said, "Very good, everyone has touched a plant. But have you noticed that all the plants are different from each other?" "Didi, you are also sitting on the little plant," said Shabnam. "So, children, here is a question. Can you name the plant on which Didi was sitting?" Yes, Didi was sitting on the grass. The game started again. Now, the plant fairy said, "Touch a tree with either a thick or a thin trunk." All the children ran again to touch a tree with thick or a thin trunk. Michael found game very interesting. After some time, Michael said, "Now I want to be a plant fairy." How lucky the plant fairy was. She could order everyone around. "Now I want to be a plant fairy." The children laughed aloud. "A boy fairy?" Michael said, "I want to be a plant fairy." So now they were ready to take order from the new plant fairy. Michael said, "Now get me some leaves quickly. But remember, you do not pluck the leaves from the plant," said Didi. After listening, all the children ran to collect the leaves which is lying on the ground. Here is the question. Do all the leaves has similar shapes, margins? No, all the leaves are different in shapes, margin and color as well. Ammu said. Now Dayaram said, "I did not know there were so many types of leaves. Some are round, some are long, even some are triangular." Then Ammu said, "They are of so many colors as well. Some are light green and some are dark green. Some are even yellow, red and purple. There is one which is green but have white patches on it. Look, even all the leaves have different margins. Some are straight and some uneven," said Shabnam. Now Ammu and Shabnam shouted together, "We also want to be a plant fairy." Didi said, "No, not today, maybe next Sunday, because it's time to go to home now." On the way back, Didi recited a poem for everyone. Now children, this is the chapter about the plants. We see different kinds of plants around us. Each plant differs from the other plant in size, shape, color, margin, place of growth, etc. Plants grow on land as well as on water. Now, what are the plants? Plants are the living things which can make their own food. Now, different kinds of plants. First one is tree. Second, herbs. Third, shrubs. Fourth, creepers and climbers. So, these are the different kinds of plants. First one is trees. Trees are big, tall and strong plant. They have hard stems called trunk. Now, herbs. What are the herbs? Basically, herbs are the small plants. You know, Didi was sitting on the grass. What is grass? Grass is a herb. Shrubs. What are the shrubs? Shrubs are the plants small in size but taller than herbs and shorter than a tree. Now talk about creepers and climbers. Creeper, as suggests the name, it grows on the land, and climbers are much more advanced than creepers. Now we will see some of the example of the kinds of plants like trees, mango, oak, teak, etc. Herbs, tomato, grass, banana. Shrubs, rose, jasmine, tulsi, etc. Creepers and climbers. Watermelon, pea plant, money plant, etc. So, these are the example of creepers and climbers. Now children, we are going to study about the parts of the plant. So, here you can see a plant. Okay. What is this? This is a flower. Leaf. This is stem. Roots. Buds. Fruit. So, these are the main parts of a plant. Some are small, some are long, and even some are red, yellow, purple and green. Do you know why leaves are green? Leaves are green because leaves contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. What? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. They can make food for the plant, and this process is called photosynthesis. What is called the process? Photosynthesis. So, this is your chapter about plants.